So long, farewell. Everything I love you. I'm home. Okay. Okay. Bye. Oh, I'm suddenly alone. I just dropped my mom off. I'm headed back up. Oh, I'm in Jacksonville. I just dropped her off in Jacksonville. And I'm headed back up to Amelia Island because there was an antique store that had this like bug net thing that I really wanted, but they couldn't sell it to me at the time. So I'm going back up there. That's all I'm doing. That's all I know. And I gotta focus on driving now, so I will talk to you later, but I miss my mom already. I always say this, it feels like you just have like a missing piece to yourself because you get so used to another person. I'll get used to it though, I'm sure. Wow. Would you look at that? That's pretty. Oh my god, my mom would love this so much. This is so pretty. Oh, I wish my mom was here. Wow. I have like this whole point to myself. The car goes over here. Holy crap. I wish I had a tent. Wow. I don't know how I got here. I've driven hours and hours today, like 6 hours. I'm headed to Nashville to meet up with a friend, Clover County. What? There's huge birds. It's a big old bird. Good morning. This place has showers, which is always very exciting. You gotta take advantage of every shower you have access to. I just spent the last couple hours editing the first Land Rover video where I go pick up the car, and it's been a few weeks since then, and so it's really fun to just look at that and how far I've come. Driving is like second nature now. I like these video memories. You grow and learn things and change over time, and also have like a log of it. It's pretty cool. Anyway, I think I'm gonna go take a shower. I'm gonna drive over there because it's kind of a long walk, but take a shower. Maybe I'll come back and hang out for a minute. I'm not really sure. I gotta keep getting on the road because I have a lot of driving to do. I have like another 6 hours to Nashville, and it's like 20 to home, I think. So, all right, shower time. I'll wash the dishes in the sink. That's the plan. It was a cozy, rainy morning. Here's a tour. Campsite bathrooms. Feels a little bit like a jail cell. I'm really hoping they have hot water. Okay, I feel like a whole new person. I am headed to Nashville now. is what I'm doing. Get in on the road, maybe stop for some breakfast somewhere on the way, upload that video for y'all. I took it off avoid highways and the time went down to 5 hours, so that's nice. But let's get out of here. Let's get back on the road. Casey Musgrave's newest album came out. Listen to it. Good morning from Nashville. I was gonna sleep at a park last night, but it was a Friday night and I forget that teenagers like to hang out at parks on the weekend, so it was a little busy and I was 2 hours away from Nashville and I decided to just huff it, and I got here and I'm sleeping in my friend's driveway right now. I choose this because all my stuff is in here and you're just comfy at this point, you know? Like, this is my home. It's not that she didn't offer me to let me sleep inside, so. Anyway, I wake up earlier than her, so I'm gonna go run some errands. But, yeah, I'm in Nashville. Gonna go on a little date today. I'm never out in the real world, you know? So, that'll be fun. Other than that, there's not really any plans. I don't know. Blah, blah, blah. I'm gonna get my bed put back together and go run my errands. I love how unserious life is. Making coffee in the back of my car. Howdy. Darby Park is my new brand. I'm just starting with hats. I plan on growing this very slowly. I really want to do like lifestyle wear stuff. So yeah, I wear hats all the dang time, and I really wanted to make a hat that was a little bit different. This one is corduroy. I was looking up what Darby means, and it means deer park. My property is covered in deer. There's deer everywhere all the time, and so I ended up naming my property Darby Park. And so that's the name of the brand. That's the name of this car. Here it is on. It's linked in my bio, and if you want to go buy it, it's for sale. Anyway, I'll get back to the adventure, but go check it out. I'm taking a video of you right now. Okay.
Cheers.
What's going on?
I was drinking that wine.
To pour mine.
Whenever you want it. Come on, heavy pour.
It's the same on yours.
I know. I liked it.
Where are we going tonight?
We are going out in East Nashville to see the band Flight.
Who are you?
Clover County, baby. Look at these freak ass bangs I got today.
Oh my god, wait, I didn't even say anything. They're so I think they're cute.
Yeah.
I love that I don't have to drive this young.
It's down.
That's awesome. Mode. Oh my god.
Yeah,
Fun.
it's right there. It's right at the end.
Yeah, you gotta go like way, that clutch goes way down. I don't think I've ever sat back here.
First time for everything.
I'm having a good time.
I'm starting to feel it.
We're taking the same video right now.
Nice cold beer.
Fucking 30 degrees! We're all cold. It doesn't matter how where you are.
Doesn't matter who you are, where you are. You too can be fucking free.
You. 3, 2, 1, jump! Oh, it was beautiful. That was a thing of beauty. Oh, I need a shower. Hi. I left Nashville this morning. I woke up after going out. I woke up pretty early with a little bit of a hangover. And I just really wanted to get home. I miss home. I don't want to be missing spring. I'm eating noodles and co right now. But I just been driving all day. Had a ton of fun last night, but it was just time. It's time to get back to the house, my house. I get extra cheese sauce for the mac and cheese. I'm like 3 hours from my aunt's house in Illinois. I'm gonna stay there tonight. Very close to Chicago right now. I'm tired. I have a headache. I haven't eaten real food all day. But we're almost back. The adventure is almost over. I'm ready to have spring. That's it. I just hopped on here to update you because I've been driving for like 8 hours. I'm gonna eat and keep driving. Talk to you later.
It isn't that mortals can't be pretty. Many of them are. But their beauty doesn't make you feel pummeled by it. I feel a little pummeled by Oak's beauty. Escape, and on not allowing hopelessness to sweep over me.
It's my cousin.
Left-handing stick
Yep,
shift is
it's
not my
new.
thing.
It's new. There we go. And then it's a pretty quick first, so you can go straight into second usually. Just push over and down. There you go. Yeah. Nice. Good morning. I am leaving my aunt's house near Chicago. I slept there last night. I drove all my 8 hours and I got a shower. I got to sleep in bed, and now I'm heading home. I just have like a full day drive today, and I'm gonna get home. And I got to see my cousins, and Riley got to drive the car, so that was fun. She knows how to drive a stick, so I was like, you wanna hop in? But yeah, fun little stop, and now I'm headed home. I'm so excited. I can't believe I'm gonna get home today. Feels like I've been gone forever. So I'm excited to get to some spring at my house. I love watching everything bloom. So, all right, I'm gonna hang up now and keep driving. Y'all, I love getting close to home. Diesel has been over $6 almost everywhere. I think here it said it was $5.29. Love that. I'm so close to home. 20 minutes. I'm basically on my back roads. Feels good. Feels good. Ready. So dang ready. Also, it's just turning spring here. It's so weird. It's like I've been going back in time. Like everywhere that I've been has been full summer already, and then further north it was like, okay, spring has already happened. And then at my aunt's last night it was like, oh, spring was in full bloom, and here it's like just starting. The trees barely have leaves on them, they're just budding, and I was so worried I was gonna miss this season. And I'm here just in time for exactly what I wanted to be home for, so that makes me really happy. This is so weird. I'm having like weird feelings about this being Darby's first time home. Like first time on these roads. It's so funny that I can feel that way about a car. But like, we've been together since South Africa. Like, we've almost gotten run over by elephants together, and now you're almost home. It's so cute. I'm getting sentimental again. This is a whole journey of emotions, but I'm just like thinking about the fact that like years ago now, I had this like just kind of vague, big idea of like, oh, I should like go travel to Africa and find a car and camp in it and then bring it back. And I had it just felt big and kind of like nebulous and like, I don't know, it just felt like one of those silly dreams, you know? Like, oh, I'd love to do that. It sounds really cool. And to just like be at the tail end of that is so cool. Like, it's just so cool to be able to like say something outlandish and then actually pull through on it. And like each step has been a process, but it's like, it's just cool every single time that I do something that I think sounds big or kind of scary or overwhelming. Like, and I start out not knowing at all how I'm gonna do it, but then I do it at the end of the day, and it's just it's just always really cool to come back like to the thought of like, oh, there was just this younger version of me that wanted to try something. Oh my god, it's green. Oh, there's your brother. Oh my gosh. It's spring and I just finished a journey, like a whole ass journey. I feel so overwhelmingly good right now. It's crazy. Oh my gosh. The Darby Park hats are here. They're in my garage. That's your hat if you ordered one. They're in there. I picked up some of the smaller container of my dad's ashes from my aunt while I was there. This is the first time he's ever been to my house. We're all here. Oh, I miss home. It feels really good to be back. Oh my gosh, my plans. Oh, how was everybody? Oh, it feels so good to be back. Oh my god, I missed it. My sister's coming. She's gonna bring the mice. Oh.